The Samsung Galaxy A06? Well, let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. So guys, today we'll be covering the Galaxy A06 from Samsung and talking about its pros and cons, and if I'll be able to give a recommendation at the end of this video for this device. But firstly, let's address how it's been on a daily usage. One thing I'll have to mention is that this is not a flagship device, so do not expect anything drastic, and remember that this device is retailing for $1,000 or 2,000 rands in South Africa. And so, let's talk about how its performance has been. And I have to mention, guys, one more time, this is not a powerhouse device. The chip found here is the Mali G82 from MediaTek, and 4GB of RAM and a base storage of 64GB. This is just good for everyday usage of social media apps, some lightweight gaming and texting. Anything above this, you'll be trying to turn this phone into a computer, in which it's impossible. And guys, we're now getting to a place or part you shouldn't be expecting more from this device, as like the performance, it's its durability and design. Looking at the Galaxy A06, it's a well-built budget device with plastic flat sides and inheriting the new key island design, which is found in the more expensive Galaxy A30 and 50 lineup. And I'll have to say, for its price, it's surprisingly big, with now having a 6.7-inch display and has a really good feel-to-hand experience. And seeing how Samsung has improved by giving this device the One UI 6 experience and not the One UI 6.1 core version. That's impressive. Now, let's talk cameras. So, let's turn this device around and discuss the cameras. Samsung given us a 50 megapixel ISO sensor with an aperture of f1.8 and paired with a depth sensor for detailed portraits, and of course an 8 megapixel from the front camera. Well, if I have to comment, these cameras are just fine. Nothing special, but in low light they struggle a lot. I'll drop the video resolutions below, but if I'd rate these camera system, it would be a solid 5 out of 10. So guys, let me conclude. The Samsung Galaxy A06 is just fine. Hear me out, it's not a bad phone to purchase. I definitely do recommend it, but if you're planning to upgrade in the near future, then you should go for it. You won't be getting a bad phone, but it won't stay this good for too long. So guys, that is it from me this week. Please don't forget to like, share, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to help the channel. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.